What's something people don't know about chipping sparrows? They're not just cute, they're legendary in some Native American stories. Stick around for some wild facts. Chipping sparrows are everywhere in North America, singing their sharp trills from treetops. But in Native American legend, they're often seen as messengers or bringers of good luck. Some tribes believed their cheerful songs could guide travelers safely home. Despite their small size, chipping sparrows are tough. They can raise 2 broods a season. Next time you hear that rhythmic trill, remember, you're listening to a bird with a story that's been told for generations.